The 2024 Porsche Macan demonstrates exceptional safety in the adult occupant protection category. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remains stable, providing excellent protection for critical body areas of both the driver and passenger. The design accommodates occupants of different sizes and positions, ensuring safety across various scenarios. In the full-width rigid barrier test, while most critical areas showed good protection, the rear passenger's chest protection was rated as marginal due to compression. In side impact tests, the Macan achieved maximum points with outstanding protection for all critical body regions in both the side barrier and side pole impacts. Rear-end collision tests showed good protection against whiplash injuries for both front and rear seats. Additionally, advanced safety systems like e-call for emergency response and measures to prevent secondary impacts further enhance occupant safety. Porsche has even ensured that doors remain operable in submersion scenarios, enabling safe exits in emergencies. The Macan scored top marks for protecting children in frontal and side impacts. The airbag can be deactivated for rear-facing seats, and all tested child seats fit securely. In the vulnerable road user category, the Macan delivers strong safety performance. Head protection for pedestrians and cyclists was mostly good or adequate, though weaker results were noted at the bonnet edges and windscreen pillars. Protection for the pelvis was mixed, but the femur, knee, and tibia received high scores across all tested areas. The Macan's autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system excelled in detecting and responding to pedestrians and cyclists, avoiding collisions in scenarios such as sudden appearances from behind parked vehicles or cyclists crossing ahead. It also includes a dooring prevention feature to protect cyclists from unexpected door openings. For motorcyclists, the system showed strong reactions, effectively mitigating risks in situations like approaching a stationary or braking motorcycle. These advanced technologies highlight Porsche's commitment to safeguarding vulnerable road users. The Macan's safety assist systems performed well, including effective autonomous emergency braking that avoided impacts in various scenarios. Lane support gently corrected the vehicle's path, while seatbelt reminders and fatigue monitoring enhanced safety. The speed assistance system identifies local speed limits and allows automatic limiter settings, helping drivers stay within safe speeds. With all these advanced safety features, the Porsche Macan proudly earned a prestigious 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, making it a top choice in the small SUV segment.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to World Cars channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next one.
World Car.